अच्छा. Guna macam apa?
She was only 6 years old, never had a hand to hold. Dealing with her heart ice cold, she don't wanna love no more. Left with a burning rage from every time she went down in flames. Trying to save who she loves from the pain. After all of her tears, she came from falling down on her face. Through all of her fears, she kept on moving about her way. She started dealing with the trauma, had to do things that she don't wanna, cause she believed that there would come a way. When your days get harder every day, nobody ever says there won't be any pain. You rise up anyway, the sun will shine again, right down on your face. So don't you be afraid, you'll be okay. Days get harder every day, nobody ever says there won't be any pain. You rise up anyway, the sun will shine again, right down on your face. So don't you be afraid, you'll be okay. When your days get harder every day, nobody ever says there won't be any pain. You rise up anyway, the sun will shine again, right down upon your face. So don't you be afraid. She was only 6 years old, never had a hand to hold. Dealing with her heart ice cold, she don't wanna love no more. Left with
Oh,
a
yeah.
burning rage from
Alright.
every time she went down in flames. Trying to save who she loves from the pain. After all of her tears, she came from falling down on her face. Through all of her fears, she kept on moving about her way. She started dealing with the trauma, had to do things that she don't wanna, cause she believed that there would come a better day. And I wondered how she made it out from under. She said our days are numbered, so this is what you do. When your days get harder every day, nobody ever says there won't be any pain. You rise up anyway, the sun will shine again, right down on your face. So don't you be afraid, he was only 3'5". He was always trying to do what's right. Started running from the cops by 9. He never really had no home, cause mom and dad were the absent kind. Took all the joy that would fill his eyes. Now all that he knows is to be left behind. Never thought of himself to be a man who could hold his own. Nobody to help him do the nights he was all alone. So he became the one he needed to overcome the scary feeling. always trying to do us right. Started running from the cops by night. Never really had no one. Cause mom and dad were the absent kind. Took all the joy that won. Left with a burning rage from every time she went down in flames. Trying to save who she loves from the pain. After all of her tears, she kept from falling down on her face. Through all of her fears, she kept on moving about her way. She started dealing with the trauma. Had to do things that she don't wanna. Cause she believed that there would come a better day. And I wonder, she made it out from under. She said our days are numbered. So this is what you do. When you risk it, stay on be any pain. You rise up and down, sun will shine. Right down. He was only 3.5. He was always trying to do us right. Started running from the cops by night. He never really had no home. Cause mom and dad were the absent kind. Took all the joy that was in his eyes. Now all that he knows is to be left behind. Never thought of himself to be a man who could hold his own. Nobody to help him through the nights he was all alone. So he became the one he needed to overcome the scary feeling. Cause deep in his soul he still believed he'd be okay. And when he told me about his life and story, he gave the Lord his glory for making it for me. When your days get harder every day, nobody ever says there won't be any pain. You rise up and the sun will shine again. Right down and so don't you be afraid. You'll be okay. Days get harder every day. Nobody ever says there won't be any pain. You rise up and the sun will shine again. Right down